Let me show you how you can add text to your document in Affinity. Head to the left and search for this letter T, that's the text tool. Keep in mind there are two different text tools. So there's artistic text tool, that's the one for short text. After you type in your text, you can reselect the text, change the size of your font, change the font itself. If you like certain fonts, you can click this little heart shape to add them to your favorites. Then they are easier to find. Take a look. Alright, how about the color? You can select the color from the color wheel here on the right side. Alright, you can add additional stroke color around it if you like. And then you can control how thick the stroke will be. What is the second text tool? In that case, you will need to draw as a kind of frame, a box, just like that. And with the frame like this, you can now paste longer text. You can also insert a sample text, filler text, like that. Keep in mind, those text boxes can be linked. So if I draw another one next to it or another page, can you see this little arrow here? Click on that and then select the next text box. And the text will flow from one to another. So that's a great way if you got very long text. And again, you can change font properties at the top. There's also alignment. In addition to those basic properties, we can always open more. So we can click Typography tool. Here it is. When we got even better control, there's also a character tool for more control on characters. And we can change the distance between letters. We can change distance between certain rows. So be sure the correct area is selected before you start making those changes to your text. Alright, some fonts can have additional control. Now we got variable font support in Affinity. So keep that in mind. Some fonts will have additional slider here. So we can change everything between light and bold using a slider. That's not the case for this font. We can filter fonts by clicking here, open fonts with the V, that's variable font, like Roboto. In that case, you will have the option here, a slider that can give you even greater control on that certain font. Alright, I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.